Eat out. To dine at a restaurant. We decided to eat out at the new Italian restaurant for our anniversary. Let's eat out tonight. I don't feel like cooking. Pick up. To collect or acquire something. I'll pick up some fresh bread from the bakery on my way home. Can you pick up some groceries from the store, please? Cut up. To chop or divide into smaller pieces. She cut up the watermelon into small, bite-sized pieces for the kids. You should cut up the chicken before adding it to the stir-fry. Bring over. To bring something or someone to a specific location. Sarah is going to bring over a homemade lasagna for dinner tonight. Could you bring over some appetizers for the party? Run out of. To deplete or exhaust a supply of something. We've run out of coffee, so I need to buy some more tomorrow. Don't run out of eggs, we need them for the cake. Tuck in. To start eating enthusiastically. The family sat around the table and tucked into their Thanksgiving feast. After a long day of hiking, we were eager to tuck into a hearty meal. Warm up. To increase the temperature or prepare for an activity. Can you please warm up the leftover pizza in the microwave? I like to warm up my tea in the evening before bedtime. Finish off. To complete or consume the last portion of something. He managed to finish off the entire plate of spaghetti. Let's finish off the last piece of pie before it goes bad. Lay off. To stop eating or consuming a particular type of food. I need to lay off the sweets if I want to lose weight. He should lay off the spicy food while he's recovering from the flu. Chow down. To eat a meal, often quickly and heartily. After the game, the team chowed down on burgers and fries. When they brought out the pizza, everyone chowed down. Gobble up. To eat quickly and voraciously. The kids gobble up their ice cream before it melts in the sun. She gobbled up her favorite dish as soon as it was served. Scoop out. To remove something from a container using a scoop or spoon. He used an ice cream scoop to carefully scoop out servings of dessert. Please scoop out some of the soup and pour it into a bowl. Dish out. To serve food onto plates. Mom dishes out a generous portion of spaghetti for each of us. The chef is ready to dish out the main course to the hungry diners. Spice up. To add flavor or excitement to something. You can spice up the curry with some extra chili powder for added heat. Let's spice up this bland soup with some herbs and spices. Mash up. To crush or blend ingredients into a soft mixture. Mash up the bananas to make banana bread. Don't forget to mash up the avocados for the guacamole. Whip up. To quickly prepare something, like a meal. She can whip up a delicious omelet in just a few minutes. Can you whip up a quick salad for lunch? Stir in. To mix an ingredient into a dish by stirring. Stir in the sugar until it completely dissolves in the tea. Don't forget to stir in the cheese to make the sauce creamy. Dig in. To start eating a meal. The guests were eager to dig in as soon as the Thanksgiving meal was served. It smells so good, let's dig in. Wash down. To drink something after eating to help swallow food. He decided to wash down the spicy tacos with a cold glass of water. After the meal, we washed down the dessert with some hot coffee. Noodle around. To engage in casual or aimless thinking or activity. Instead of helping, he just noodled around in the kitchen, not doing much. Stop noodling around and start preparing the salad, please.